this whole time I'm thinking my mama said 2 o'clock.
I said 12.
But I think in my mind I had 2.
Girl, hell no. It started at 12. And then
Oh my goodness, y'all! 2 o'clock it's really 12, and it's 10:27. Your girl gotta get ready. So whoop. So it's really just a get ready with me. Wow. Before I go to the event for my grandma. So I think, I want y'all to be up more. I'm closer. Alright. I think that I'm going to do my hair first and then jump in the shower. Because the real thing is with the hair. And I know y'all like, girl, you just posted a video and you just did a ponytail. Yeah, I know. But I did a quick weave. And basically, it was quick, alright. It's some of them off. They was falling out and stuff. I'm gonna leave it. I need to do my hair. And, you know. Oh, I wanted to charge my stuff. It's crunch time. I literally gotta move faster than I thought because my mama got her clothes on, but I don't got mine on. So this is me doing my makeup. I'm putting the thing that's have nothing in it, aka the hydrating primer from Fenty. I'm getting like specks, but like, can I break this open or something? Like, it's something right there. Okay, I guess. Then yo, my whole Fenty stick fell in my dresser. It's when you can start doing something like that. And then I use 2 different sticks, because my face is a little confusing at times. I gotta use a good amount. Then I use this brush to one face. And then, oh my goodness, I'm so done blending. See, this is the thing. Oh, I get this. And I get in there good with this. Okay. After that, I let this sit. But now we're gonna work on the eyebrows while we're waiting. Little eyebrow moment. My eyebrows are a little fluffy right now. Okay, eyebrows is done. Now, while we continue to wait, we put lotion and stuff on. We gotta continue. I'm using the Fenty lotion. I'm putting it on my legs. My knee is currently right here. And I continue next leg. Put it on my hands. And then now is where we get the, you know, I use a little bit of this spray because this is just water. And then I tap it all in. Tap it in until it's clear. I gotta do this in the mirror. Now we get our powders, which is the e.l.f. We stick it on there, dab a little off, and get all the creases. Can be stuck in there. Get all my creases. Okay, that's one powder. Then I get my one size. Pop this open. Sprinkle some of that out. Okay, everywhere, because that's all they do. Just go everywhere. Take some of that off on my wrist. And powder that. Hopefully we don't have too much powder on, but I don't want to be greasy. So then we get makeup, not the makeup, but blush. Y'all, this area went from clean to dirty. Clean that later. And then you, hold on, I gotta see. Okay, after that, we hit them with I use my setting spray, but I got the size 1 setting spray, and I feel like it don't work unless your face is wet already. So you gotta use a wet face and then use a dry. Which I use water, because I don't got no other setting spray. And then and you wait, because this will burn your face. Then I get some more. Then here's when we get the mascara. Oh, good. Is this a color? It's a color mascara. The mascara, do the mascara. Then you do a lip line and all that stuff. But let me put my clothes on and I'll be right back. I still haven't taken this out, but this is. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on.